Hi there! So here is the retail packaging of the Iqoo Z9x. Let's open it up. Right on the top is the phone itself, a transparent TPU cover, quality to bahut badhiya hai. Then the usual paperwork that no one reads, a SIM ejector pin, a USB-C charging cable, and a 44-watt charging adapter. The Iqoo Z9x supports 5G and it's ideal for those looking for a phone around the 12-13K bracket. It offers good camera, stable reliable performance and a super long battery life. It comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery that will easily last you a full day with heavy use, probably even 2 for light users. It comes with a 44-watt charger in the box. It's not the fastest, but still it gets you to 50% in about 35 minutes. My favorite part, even though it comes with such a big battery, the phone is just 7.9 mm thin and weighs under 200 grams, 199 to be precise. Super impressive. The back design is extremely eye-catchy. The line texture is more visible according to the way the light hits it. Looks so cool. It's also matte finish, so won't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Dual AI cameras, 50 megapixel primary and 2 megapixel depth sensor for portraits. On the side are the power volume rockers. At the bottom is a 3.5 headphone jack, a microphone, USB-C port, single down-firing speaker. Then on the left is a hybrid SIM tray that can house 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card for storage expansion. Let's quickly check out the camera. So here are some images taken from the rear 50 megapixel sensor. It's bright, it's clear, with good amount of detail. The colors are more tuned to look natural. Dynamic range is also pretty good. Check out these more samples. Now here's the 4K 30fps video recording from the rear camera. You can notice a slight shake, but overall it's quite good. Now here's a similar video. Now this is shot at full HD 30fps with steady mode turned on. It's so smooth with zero jerks. If you shoot at full HD, then steady mode is going to be very handy. Then here are some shots taken with the 8 megapixel front camera. These two are so clear, wide shots with clear skin tones. Day shots are a bliss. Now here are some portrait shots, good amount of bokeh. I mean, you can't complain. Great edge detection. Hi there. So here's a video recording from the front camera of the Iqoo Z9x 5G. Yes, that's a long name. Now this is a full HD 30fps video recording. There's no 4K video recording here, but we didn't expect that either. But overall, I can say that the video quality is also pretty good. You can see this is an handheld video. Also, the audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the phone. Something to keep in mind. The 4K video recording is only supported on the 8GB RAM variant. So if you pick the lower RAM variant, max recording support will be full HD. Overall, I can say that the cameras on the Z9X are really good, especially when you consider the price. Coming to the display. So we get a 6.72-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2408 by 1080 pixels. Now even though not an AMOLED display, the colors look quite vibrant, the text is super crisp, and it's easily readable. 120Hz adaptive refresh rate provides the smooth user experience. It's adaptive, so the refresh rate will adjust according to the apps you use, helping you conserve battery. On the top is the punch hole notch, housing the 8 megapixel selfie camera. Iqoo claims 1000 nits of peak brightness, and we briefly tested it outdoors. You can see it's quite clear and easily usable even under the sun. Then we get the side capacitive fingerprint scanner. It's not the fastest, but still very secure and does the job really well. The device comes with IP64 rating, so it's protected from mild water splashes and dust, which is really good for a budget phone like this. But I'll still say keep it away from water as far as possible. Better safe than sorry. Then watching movies and videos is super fun. The content goes edge to edge and it looks really nice. The lower bezel is a little noticeable, but overall still quite slim. The content is bright and crisp. It also comes with wideband L1 certification, so apps like Netflix and Prime Videos will play at full resolution. We streamed a 4K YouTube video and they played at 4K 60fps without any lag or buffering. Sadly, there is no HDR support, but you can't complain. Everything looks really good and it's a treat to watch. The Iqoo Z9x comes with a single down-firing speaker. Here's a quick demo. So the audio sounds pretty good. There's nothing to rave about. All I can say, it's loud, it's clear, and it does a satisfactory job. Glad to share that it comes with a headphone jack, which is always handy. Plug and play. Coming to the OS. So it's running the latest Android 14 with FunTouch OS also 14. It's overall smooth and very well optimized. Yes, it does come with share of pre-installed apps, some of which you can't delete, but don't worry, most of the third-party apps you can. When it comes to the performance, it's powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. Now this is a 5G chipset and 5G will work flawlessly on all network providers in India. The performance is overall really good for a mid-ranger. It can handle all your day-to-day apps with ease. The variant we have came with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM with support for 8GB virtual RAM expansion, giving you a total of 16GB RAM. Now apps launch almost instantly. Multitasking between all these apps is such a breeze, there's no lag, and most recently used apps are still in memory. There you go. Then we ran the Android 2 benchmark and it scored around 5,60,000. Now that's amazing. Then it comes with 128GB of storage with storage type UFS 2.2. We ran the speed test for that as well and it scored 975 MB read and 838 MB write. Also pretty good. When it comes to gaming, we played everyone's favorite, BGMI. Now the first thing we did is switch to monster mode, and trust me, that drastically enhances your gaming performance. We got about 45 FPS and it played flawlessly. Rarely noticed any drop frame, surely no lag. Yes, it did heat up a little, but not to the extent of getting uncomfortable. Totally playable. Iqoo really knows how to optimize devices for gaming. Just loving it. Anyone who loves to game can definitely consider this device. Alright, final thoughts. So the Iqoo Z9x is not perfect, but it gets the fundamentals right. Good performance, impressive cameras, gorgeous looks, excellent battery life. Yes, it does lack an AMOLED display, but if you can get past that, the Iqoo Z9x is an absolute value for money. We don't have the price at the time of making this video, but I'm expecting this to be priced somewhere between 13 and 15,000. I'll share the price, availability details and the purchase links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.